Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another week of Tech Tuesday with Elizabeth and Aviad at Oracle. Now, we are on week 2 of our 3-part RPA series with our senior developer, Aviad. Last week, he showed us how to automate an Oracle EBS workflow. And today, we're going to be looking at how we take that web service, put it into an automation, and how this automation can read from a CSV file and update the Oracle EBS backend. So let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Aviad. I'm a senior developer at Oracle. Let me share my desktop and let's dive in right into the demo. This is the service manager, and to add a new RPA flow, all you need to do is to get to the RPA section and press the plus sign. This will open a visual editor where I can add the steps of the flow. I'll just start by giving it a name. And now I will press the plus sign and see what available building blocks I have to add to this flow. I can add a service that I have previously created, like the one we created on our previous video. I can call any external service, which is any REST APIs that you want to invoke. I can add conditions and mail, read and write from files, add a loop, or add any custom business logic that I have through a JavaScript block. In our case, I will choose to add a service, and I will select here the service that we have created in the previous demo, which creates a new sales order. And on the right side, I can see the inputs of the service. I will leave them as is to be the inputs of the whole RPA flow. Now I want to add to this newly created sales order a few lines for the order, which I want to take from a CSV file. So I have created a CSV file. It has 3 lines. The first one is a header line with the names of the fields on the next lines. And then I have 2 lines of orders of items that I want to add to my order. So now on my RPA flow, I will press the plus sign and add a loop because I want to loop over this file. And I will choose to loop over a CSV file and upload the file to the server. So I'll just take it from my local file system. Of course, this can be parameterized and I can upload any file on each run of the RPA flow. And inside the loop, I will add a service that I already created. Demo. And adds a line to an existing sales order. And this time, I will look at the inputs of the service and I will wire them data from previous steps and from the file that I'm currently looping over. So let's see what I need here. I need here the line number. So the line number would be the loop variable, which would be the row number. For the order number, I will take it from the previous step where I created the sales order. I have an order number as the output parameter. And then I have 3 more inputs that I will take from the file itself, from the row on the file. So I'll go to loop, take the item ID, take the item quantity that I want to order, and the item price. That's it. And for the last thing, I will just add an email. I will send an email that says that the sales order was processed and was created successfully. So I will send it just for the sake of this demo to myself. Of course, I can parameterize it and send it to anyone I want. And I will say here, order was created. And I also want to add here the number of the order that was just created. So I'll take it from the first step, the order number that was returned as an output parameter. And that's it. My flow is ready. I can save it and I can test it. And here it is. It was processed successfully. I can see here the new order number that was created, and I can see here all the messages that came from the Oracle EBS saying that the transactions were created. And if I'll go to my mail client, I can see here that I got a new mail saying that order was created, and this was the order number as I got from the output.
Thanks, Aviad. It's great to see how simple it is to create an automation with Aura RPA's drag and drop tool. Now stay tuned for next week, where we'll be seeing how you can trigger an email automation using Aura RPA. As always, knowledge is power. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until then, have a great rest of your day and be well. Bye for now.